Genesis chapter 39. After Joseph was sold by his brothers, he was taken down to Egypt. There he was brought by Potiphar, an important officer of Pharaoh and captain of the guard. Joseph began his new life as a slave in Potiphar's house. Even though it was a hard situation, God was with Joseph. Everything Joseph did, God blessed. Potiphar noticed this and saw that Joseph was trustworthy and successful. So he gave Joseph more and more responsibility until Joseph was in charge of the whole household. Because of Joseph, even Potiphar's house and fields were blessed. But there was a problem. Potiphar's wife noticed that Joseph was handsome and strong. She tried many times to tempt Joseph into doing wrong with her. But Joseph refused every time. He said, "My master trusts me with everything. How can I do this great sin against God?" One day, she caught him by his cloak and tried to force him. Joseph quickly ran out of the house, leaving his cloak in her hands. Angry and embarrassed, she shouted to the servants and lied, saying that Joseph tried to harm her. When Potiphar came home, she told the same false story. Potiphar was very angry and put Joseph in prison. But even there, God was with Joseph. The prison warden saw that Joseph was wise and faithful, so he put Joseph in charge of the other prisoners. Whatever Joseph did, God made it succeed. Even in unfair situations, whether as a slave or in prison, God's presence and favor never left Joseph. He remained faithful and God blessed him in everything.